Okay. You guys are silly. Okay, do it to someone else. What did you guys do today?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it over?
No. Okay, that's enough. What did you do today?
Do some.
Yeah. What else did you do?
Eat pizza.
Eat pizza?
I ate pizza.
What did we do before that? Swimming. We went to the beach, huh?
Yeah, but the video is not taking a picture of water.
No, I know. We forgot the camera, huh? Did you have fun at the beach?
Yes, it was an ocean.
Yeah. We went down to San Diego, huh? Did you get a little bit sunburned?
No, and lots of sand.
Sand, yep, lots of sand, huh?
I am sand.
You're
okay,
sand?
Now is it over?
Nope.
This is going to be so
Yep,
fun.
I got a little bit sunburned. My face is all red. Blah. But starting my tan for the season. Yeah.
Your face is still red.
Yep.
Take a picture of the bottle.
We're taking a video.
Gong, gong, gong,
Silly.
gong, 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 gong.
What are you doing? Sitting in the seat? Is it wet? Here's little Helen. Helen. Hey. Hi. Hi. Smile. Smile for us. Yeah. Good job. Hi. Hi.
Oh, now
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, everybody.
Now what?
Now can we be over with it?
You want to be over with it?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to say bye.
Bye. It's funny. Movie.